Former Meghalaya Chief Minister Dr. Mukul Sangma today expressed deep concern over the disappearance extracted coal in West Janta Hills district, which was not claimed by miners. Addressing media in Shillong, Dr. Sangma said that the 1.41 lakh metric ton of unclaimed extracted coal was found in West Janta Hills district, which was duly recorded by the West Janta Hills administration. Referring to this coal, Dr. Sangma said the then unclaimed extracted coal has suddenly dwindled and is now left with only 20,000 metric ton. He said the state government should be accountable for the disappearance of the unclaimed extracted coal, as this has incurred a revenue loss to the state exchequer. People engaged in the illegal selling to the unclaimed extracted coal should be punished under relevant laws of the land.
Was 1064. Countersigned by the DC and handed over to me. Countersigned by both DC and DMO. Is it not an evidence that I have provided in the floor of the House through my submission? Because on the order of the Deputy Commissioner concerned, the officers were directed to verify the quantity have given a report in the month of June. Official communication, which was made available through RTI by one RTI activist who submitted the representation to the Chief Secretary with a copy to me, based on which I have responded to my call of duty and gone along with friends from media as well. Now, that report says that there are 141,000 metric ton of coal in those indicated areas. But when we went, there are only 1,064 truckloads. You calculate, multiply it by 10 or 15. Less than 20,000 metric ton. So where have the rest of the coal gone? There are two things that has happened. One is a violation of MMDR Act 1957, which amounts to, the illegal mining. And another thing is violation of the NGT ban. Another one is stealing of the coal from that area and sending without paying royalty to the state. 141,000 metric ton has been reduced to only less than 20,000 metric ton. Where have the coal gone? I have said that is only the tip of the iceberg. Is it not an evidence? Do I have to file an FIR to say that, okay, this is an evidence? It is their job to file an FIR, to recover the money from all those who have engaged in this corruption. If they are not doing it, then we know who is doing it. That's simple. It's simple. If the government doesn't do, then it indicates, it gives a clear-cut answer. So you can find the answer. If they don't do it, they should file an FIR. Recover the money from those. Make it good to the state exchequer. And proceed against those criminals as per MMDR Act 1957 and again as per the other relevant CRPC and IPC. Because there is a criminal conspiracy involved. It cannot happen by one man alone.